Here we go. We're going to just move straight through the steps of this type of paragraph writing, comparison and contrast writing. So this is just a basic example of how I would go about writing a compare and contrast paragraph. So I've looked at the list of topics. So you can see here's our list again. Which one of these do I think I would like to write about? I think I'm going to write about mountains and beaches. That's something that I'm kind of interested in. So first of all, I'm going to write down my topic. Okay, so remember our basic steps to the process here. We're going to do our brainstorming first. Then we're going to organize and outline our ideas. Then we're going to review our cues. Then we write draft 1. Okay, perfect. So I mentioned in my last video that I would, and this should maybe not be bold, good. I mentioned in my last video that when I did this process, I would be using a T-chart. So we're going to do that now. So you can see that I'm just kind of thinking, right? But then you also might want to put a code beside. So and you can see that when you're doing this, you're just kind of thinking your way through the process. But you can notice that patterns begin to emerge. What else do we have here? Okay. So if we look, we've got one difference, one similarity, two similarities, three similarities, two differences. So it looks to me like there are more similarities in my brainstorming so far than there are differences. So we've done our brainstorming, so I'll often, use a little system where I go check beside it, or you can say done beside it. So now we need to organize our outline, our ideas. So let's go down here to the end. No, not there. We'll go down here to the, not there, to here to the second page. And so what I'll actually do is I'm going to bring this chart down just so I can have a look at it while I'm working. Okay, so then we start our outline. So our hook sentence or hook idea. So maybe something along the lines that nature can be a powerful mirror that we can use to kind of understand ourselves, right? And two sides of this possible mirror would be similarities and differences of mountains and beaches. Okay, so then I'm going to talk about, we found that the similarities are stronger, so I will talk about differences first, talk about similarities second, and then conclude with a strong wrap-up sentence or idea. Okay, so we're going to jump right into it because these videos cannot be more than 14 minutes. So I kind of have to push the pace here a little bit, and that's okay. This is a writing practice, right? We're not expecting you to come up with Shakespeare's Hamlet here. This is just a comparison and contrast paragraph. So we're comparing and contrasting mountains and beaches.